Let's learn some slang words. I'm going to teach you 10 popular English slang words so you can sound more like a native speaker. These are words you'll hear all the time in casual conversations, movies, TV shows, and even TikTok. But be careful, these aren't for your English test or job interview. These are casual, everyday words. Think of them like a secret code that native English speakers use. Okay, number 1. Cool. If something is cool, that means it's great, interesting, or impressive. For example, that jacket is so cool. Or, cool car, how fast does it go? It doesn't mean the jacket or the car is cold, it just means it looks great. Okay, number 2, hang out. To hang out means to spend time with someone doing nothing special. You could be laying on the couch or sitting on the beach. For example, I'm hanging out with my friends this weekend. Or, hey, do you want to hang out later? It doesn't mean you're hanging from the ceiling. It just means you want to spend some time and relax with your friend. Okay, number 3, bummer. A bummer is something disappointing or sad. For example, oh no, your football team lost. That's such a bummer. You'll hear this a lot when someone's plans go wrong. It's a soft way to show sympathy to someone else. Number 4, no big deal. This basically means it's not a problem. For example, thanks for helping me. Oh, it's no big deal. Or if you can't come over tonight, it's not a big deal. It's a humble and kind way to say, I don't mind. Number 5, chill. Chill can mean 2 things. As an adjective, it means to be relaxed or calm. For example, she's really chill, nothing bothers her, which basically means super relaxed and neutral. But it can also be a verb. We're just going to chill at home tonight. That means to relax, hang out, and not do too much. Okay, number 6, crash. This one might surprise you. To crash means to fall asleep somewhere, usually without planning, and stay the night. For example, I was so tired, I crashed when I got there. Or also, can I crash at your place tonight? That means, can I stay over at your place? Number 7, what's up? It means, how are you, or what's going on? You don't actually have to answer with details. You can say, not much, you, or all good. It's casual, friendly, and very common. Okay, number 8, hype or hyped. If something is hype, that means it's really exciting. If you are hyped, that means you are really excited about something. For example, this new game is so hype, or I'm so hyped for the football match tomorrow. Okay, number 9, YOLO. This is short for you only live once. People say it when they want to do something risky or new or exciting. For example, should I try skydiving? YOLO. It's like saying, why not? Live a little. YOLO. Okay, number 10. Throw shade. This means to say something rude or insulting, often in a clever and indirect way. For example, she said my outfit was interesting. Was that shade? Yes, probably. Probably was. You'll often hear this in TV dramas when people are gossiping. It's like a secret insult. So, quick recap. Let's go over the 10 slang words again. Nice and easy. Cool. Awesome and great. Hang out. To spend time with someone. Bummer. Something disappointing. No big deal. Not a problem. Chill. to relax or to be relaxed. Crash, to suddenly sleep or to stay over. What's up? A casual greeting. Hype or hyped. Excited, exciting. YOLO, you only live once. Throw shade, to subtly insult someone. Slang changes quickly and it's different in every English-speaking country. What's common in the US might sound strange in the UK and vice versa. But the 10 words we covered today, these are spoken everywhere, and these words will help you sound so much more natural when speaking English. Practice using them with a friend, or even better, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video and you want to keep learning English in a fun and easy way, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want private lessons or courses, just check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, cool people. And until next time, remember to stay chill and YOLO. God, why do I sound so uncool when I'm speaking? I'm too old for this lingo.